In today's video, we explain GIFT Nifty's drop after Wall Street's slump, driven by weak US jobs data. Plus, key updates on the Fed's rate cuts, crude prices, Bajaj Housing Finance's IPO, and inflation reports. Stay tuned. GIFT Nifty is seen trading deep in red and sparking sell-off this Monday morning are the negative catalysts. 1. Wall Street slumps in Friday's trade and the risk aversion was sparked by weaker than expected US jobs data which reignited recession fears. The August jobs report ramped up worries about a cooling labor market. We will from here on spy with one big eye all incoming economic data and check if the Fed is behind the curve or not. Now, the good news. 1. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are now pricing in a 71% chance the Fed will cut interest rates by a quarter percentage point at its September meeting, though odds of a half percentage point cut fell to 29% probability. 2. WTI crude oil futures have fallen to $67.70 per barrel, marking their lowest level since June 2023 on backdrop of recent economic data from China and the US. Revealed weaknesses in their manufacturing sectors, raising fears of declining demand. Bottom line, expect Nifty to trade skittish for the day on backdrop of sluggish global cues. Global cues are negative. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 621 crores while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2122 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral negative. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has shot higher towards 15.21 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.44 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.82. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to extend its slide. Nifty, CMP to 4852. Support, 24,750 to 24,700. Resistance, 24,850 to 24,900. Range, 24,700 to 24,900. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 50577. Support, 50,250 to 50,200. Resistance, 50,550 to 50,600. Range, 50,200 to 50,600. Bias, sideways. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv are trading with positive bias as Bajaj Housing Finance sets mega IPO date on 9 September and closes on 11 September. Meanwhile, Reliance Industries slipped 2.97% in last week's trade despite approving bonus share issue in 1:1 ratio, the first bonus issue since 2017, when its stock price was roughly 700 rupees. Before the Fed outcome on 18 September, bullish traders will have to brace with two inflation reports. The two inflation reports. 1. The Consumer Price Index, CPI retail inflation, report on 11 September. 2. And on 12 September traders will have to brace for the Producer Price Index, PPI wholesale inflation, report.